Oh, hang on.
Too late, you're on.
Oh, am I? Oh,
are we already on?
Yeah.
3, 4, 1.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, dear Tracy! Happy birthday to you! Send this to your mum.
What?
She'll love it.
What? All over our house then?
Don't worry, I'll get your Hoover out and move it up.
No, brush it up. It's fair.
Oh,
So
yeah,
we
I'll
got-
get a dustpan and brush. It's quite easy to do.
Go on, Grandpa.
You should have seen the state of our house when Daniel was 18.
I'll brush it up.
Yeah, so I can imagine. And you were the biggest kid of them all, weren't you?
You were.
Yeah. Yeah. Dad, I'm on video.
Yeah, walking around with a dress now.
No.
I must sit down and get in photo.
Oh God, you hear that creak? Yes, I'm hoovering up already, really. They are.
Mum, stop turning that all over.
Yeah, it's a birthday. You're allowed.
Are
That's
you?
boring.
Did you get a choice?
Yeah. Oh, hang on.
Didn't think so.
If somebody was going to do it to her, it'd be your sister, wouldn't it? Hey? Hang on, I'm finished there.
Right.
Oh. Oh. Crown.
Oh, what do you want to drink?
Good in your drink, isn't it?
Stay still. Oh, pardon me.
Wait, look, Mum, look, look. Mum.
Hang on, no. Wait. God, what's she doing now? Is she 40 or what?
Oh my God.
You do not put this on YouTube.
Where did that
Not 40 in the chest, but 40 in age.
Oh my
Where did that
God.
come from?
We bought it.
Oh, did you?
Thank
Oh.
you. Bye. Oh, we didn't like your candles.
Oh, Dad, you can stop filming now, I reckon.